Your imagination is powerful. Let's make it profitable. You already imagine a better life, earning from home, more time with your loved ones, waking up to purpose, not pressure. But imagination alone won't change your reality. This is why the Legacy Builder Blueprint exists, to help you take those visions and turn them into income. Inside this blueprint, you will find clear, beginner-friendly online strategies, daily tasks that fit around caregiving and busy lives, real examples, real stories, and real results. If you can imagine a better life, you can build it. And it starts with this first step. Contact me via my DM, email, website, or by commenting on this video. Your imagination brought you here. Now let's turn it into income.